Hi everyone, this is Michelle from GCE Education Hub. Today we'll be going through how to find the equation of a perpendicular bisector. So let's go! Okay, so students generally have problem with finding the perpendicular bisector most of the time because they do not have a visual idea on what is a perpendicular bisector. So before we actually find the equation, okay, we will see what it actually looks like on the xy axis. So we have 2 points A and B respectively. So we have point A around here, right, and point B around here. Right, I'm just going to use a line and connect this point A and B. Okay. Right. So what is a perpendicular bisector? So it's actually a line that cuts through this line equally and it is perpendicular to the line AB itself. Alright, so notice that actually this perpendicular bisector passes through the midpoint of A and B. So this is the midpoint of A and B. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to find the equation of this perpendicular bisector. Alright, so let's start. So step number 1, we're going to write down the equation of a line. So we have y equal to mx plus c. Alright, next is we're going to find the gradient. So gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Alright, so we have 5 minus 4 over 2 minus 1, which gives us 3. Okay, next step is, alright, we're going to find the gradient of the perpendicular bisector. So recall that if two lines are perpendicular, the multiplication of the gradient will be equal to -1. So therefore the gradient of the perpendicular bisector will be -1 over 3. Okay, next step, alright, we need to find the midpoint of A and B to find the y coordinate. So why don't we sub in A and B, okay, like how we do with the equation of a straight line, is because if you sub in the coordinate of B, you actually will get this line. And if you sub in the point A, you actually will get this line. But what we are finding is this line, alright, that passes through the midpoint of A and B. So that's why we need to find the midpoint. So if you recall, the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2, which is half comma half. Alright, and our last step will be trying to find what is the C value. So by substituting the midpoint inside, alright, you can see that C is actually equal to 2/3. And with that, we can actually find the equation of the perpendicular bisector as follows. So our perpendicular bisector is y equal to -1 over 3x plus 2/3. So this is our perpendicular bisector equation. So this is how we find the equation of a perpendicular bisector. If you find the content we are sharing useful, remember to like and subscribe. See you soon. Goodbye.